Yeah, hi, welcome to today's video. We are looking today at 6 of the best survey sites for money. Okay, so they all pay out in cash and you can start them obviously from today. They're free to sign up to, and they're all ones that I have used personally. So let's head over to the desktop and we'll just run through them quickly and show you all the benefits in that, so you can then crack on and start earning money today. Before we head over to and go through the first one, what I'm going to say is obviously I've used all of these sites and they are guaranteed to pay out. Okay, so there are no scams here, there are nothing to fear, and obviously they are free to sign up to as well. All of them are totally free to sign up to. Obviously all of these sites are only going to give you a few bucks a month, guys. Okay, now if you did join all 6 of them and you worked them, then you would obviously maybe even 70, 80, 100 bucks per month quite easily. But if you want something a little bit more than that, and maybe something that you can work on to get into a full-time living, then basically check out my #1 recommendation in the description below here. Back to our laptop and let's carry on. So the first one we're looking at today is called Timebox, and as you can see here, there are various different ways that obviously you can earn money. Answering surveys, completing micro tasks, installing apps, games, viewing funny slideshows, and even posting on Facebook. So how do they pay out? They obviously pay out through, they don't actually pay out through PayPal as such, this company. What they do, they've got an AirTM section that you can actually sign out through there, and then you can transfer it to PayPal. But what they have got, obviously, you can actually go and transfer directly to your bank account. So they do a bank transfer with Timebox. Okay, now the minimum payout is $10. Okay, and how you can earn, obviously there are all various ways you can earn there, but they also have a referral program, and I'm going to give you details of that because it's a great way, if you refer a few friends in that, how much you actually on all these sites, how much you can actually earn, and that becomes more passive because obviously you're getting probably a percentage of what they're earning. So Timebox basically give you 15% commission on your earnings. Okay, so in other words, if the referrer had earned $10, you would earn $1.50. Okay, they also give you 10% of any advertising, commission on advertising fees, and this is the only site that actually allows you to advertise on it. Okay, so this is probably a plus on this one, and you also get a $1 sign up bonus. Okay, so that's Timebox, and don't forget you can watch this video which I made earlier, which goes into more details about Timebox. Okay, so we're going on to number 2, and this one is Grab Points, and as you can see, again, you get paid to answer surveys, completing offers, and watching TV. Now, their payouts, again, they do pay out via PayPal. The minimum is a $5. Okay, but what you do get is you get, when you refer other people, you get 500 points per referral, guys. And you also get that for you and for the person you refer. So it's a great way of obviously getting people in, is by saying that click my link, and you could also get 500 points to start off with. I was going through my videos, and would you believe I haven't even made a video of Grab Points? So look out for that in the future. I should be making a more detailed video about Grab Points very shortly. So number 4 on my list is Prize Rebel, and as you can see here again, you get you earn money by completing paid online surveys, earning points, and redeeming the cash gift card for cash or gift cards. So with these, you can obviously take surveys. You've also got offer walls, and you can also get paid for watching videos. Now again, their payment limit is $5, and you can do that via PayPal again. Now, for referring people, you can earn a 15% bonus on referrals, which is about all you get with Prize Rebel. So again, not as good as some of the others, and certainly not as good as the ones I'm going to show you at number 1 and number 2. But I did make a video on Prize Rebel into more detail about the site, so again, check that out on this video here. Now, the fourth one I'm going to talk about is a company called Swagbucks. Okay. Now, Swagbucks have been around, probably one of the most well-known survey sites, and have been around for many years. Again, you can do things like surveys, deals. They also do a cashback on certain things. So if you are actually buying stuff through the internet, you could get cashback and points and that just by buying things from your normal places that you would normally buy stuff. Now, again, they do obviously, as well as the gift cards, that sort of thing, they do pay out via PayPal. Again, it's a £5, $5 minimum payout. Okay, so again, fairly easy to get to that stage to actually pay out. And what you do get with Swagbucks, you get a 300 points bonus when you actually join, and then obviously and start earning points. And also, as a referrer, you get 10% of the points that everybody else earns as well, which again is quite low. And as we can see, we will get to my number one site in a minute that I recommend, which obviously does a little bit better than that. Again, I did a video, so you can check out this video for now on my site, which goes into more in depth into Swagbucks. Okay, now and the fifth one I'm going to talk about, which is probably my second favorite, and I've only just started using this, basically because I've used it to try and earn cryptocurrencies, but they do allow you to obviously pull out in PayPal as well. Okay, and this one's called Idle Empire. Fairly new to the game, and that's why a lot of people are obviously jumping on board and actually using it right now. And check out the video I done obviously about Idle Empire very recently to check out more about that. But how you can earn money, obviously you can do that by surveys, offer walls, and you can also watch videos as well, and they do various promotions where you can actually earn points, which will then be able to transfer into cash. Now, the PayPal is pretty low. It's actually $3, guys. So it's a couple of dollars lower than it is on some of the other sites. And that's what I like about it, because you can just pull out very quickly with Idle Empire. You can also earn 20% lifetime commissions on everybody you refer to their site. Okay, guys. You also get 50 coins, because that's what they use. They use points, they use coins. 50 coins per person that you actually refer. Okay, which is another great way of racking up your points, like I say. And it doesn't take long before you can actually pull out with Idle Empire. And also, the user gets you refer can get a free 500 points when they sign up. And there's also things like obviously creating videos, a video review, which can actually get you 5,000 points, which is what I've done recently. So like I say, check out the video I did about Idle Empire recently on my channel. So the number one that I recommend, which is the sixth one we're going to go through, and that is Feature Points. Now, I've been a member of Feature Points for quite a while. I've got a couple of videos about Feature Points. One that tells you all about it, and another one of where I've done a payment proof one video about Feature Points as well. So check both of those out on my channel. So how do you earn feature points? Obviously you can do surveys, you can do offers, they do cashback as well. You also get paid for downloading apps and things like that as well. So that's a great way of obviously earning points very quickly. Payment out is £5, $5 in PayPal. They do a Bitcoin as well. So if you're into Bitcoin, you could pull out via Bitcoin as well. They also do, what is great is they will give you 50%, that's 50% of all the points earned by the people you refer. So this is amazing, guys, because obviously if your referral earns 1,000 points by taking a survey, you get 500 points, which is absolutely amazing. So that really makes it very quick and easy to then pull out and earn money with Feature Points. And that's why I've put it basically at the top of the ones that I actually have recommended here. Now, of course, as I said earlier, if you are not, if you want to earn a few more bucks a month and you want more serious, then obviously check out my number one recommendation down below, and that will give you all the training you need. And also, when you go through part of the training, you actually earn $20 just by going through that training for free. Okay, so make sure you check that out in the description below. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, obviously give us the big thumbs up underneath. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, then do so right now. Hit the notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. Don't forget to watch this video next, and we will see you on the next video.